Hi, and welcome to the first episode of the CM Valiant build. As you can see, the body's pretty straight on this thing, apart from some minor cosmetics. I picked this car up about, 3 years ago and have just left it there. Prior to that it's just been sitting at someone's house, not even touched, not started. The interior is all immaculate, as you can see. It even comes with its own little coffee machine, complimentary, one of one. But yeah, hopefully I can get this thing started. What you gonna do? You gonna drive it?
Yeah.
All right. How fast are you going? How fast?
Okay.
All right.
Whoa.
All right, so this beautiful gem is running a Hemi 265, which I need to reassemble. It's missing a lot of bits, like fuel hose, fuel pump, alternator. Most Chrysler have a marking on the side of the engine block telling you what kind of cubic inch it is, and this one's the 265. I don't know if you can see that. Let me try to get a better zoom on it. So the first thing I want to do is replace the coupler on this thing, because it's just torn off. It's just very freighted. Nothing was connected. So I'm just going to replace that with a new generic one. So the first thing you got to do is rip this shaft off, which you need to pull the pin out from the side there to rip this bit off. Just show you what the pin looks like. So you got to bang it out, and that should just come straight off. Okay, so the two holes that are there aren't usually there. I had to pre-drill this, but I'm just showing you guys. So it comes with the manual. So you got to cut out a 3/8 hole with a drill bit, which I've already done. And then that's the part number for it. Try to get this out. And yeah, voila, you got your new coupler. So let's get into it. Let's get this thing put together. Just follow through, and this is how you do it. Comes with all the bits. So it's pretty basic. These go on that side with the pins, and then the bolts go on the top with the O-ring. But I'm going to use some original parts on this. Just it holds the coupler in, I think, a bit better. So let's get into it. Okay, now with the steering column in place, you want to put your bolts and lock the coupler and everything in position. But as you can see, the bolts don't fit in there, so you have to pre-drill it as well. And voila, it fits. All right, doing a bit of a mock-up. Okay, time to start mounting things up. Let's get into it. So I think the black wire here is for the horn, so we've got to extend that. But yeah, let's just start using all the original bits and just replace the bolts and mount this thing up. Now where you got everything mounted up, it's time to take it to the car and start getting everything aligned. So let's do it. See how everything is just lined up now, but keep all your bolts loose before you tighten anything up. So once you've got everything lined up, put it in and put your little pin back in. Don't forget that, or else it'll come loose. All right, still keep everything, your 2 bolts loose. And then you come on the inside after you bust your knuckles. All right, and you start doing the 4 bolts up on the top. Make sure you got someone else holding the steering shaft up, just so they can keep pushing it in, and then you can tighten everything up. All right. Okay, so you put the 2 underneath bolts so it can hold the actual column up. And there you have it, your steering fixed. All right, now it's time to start high pressure cleaning everything and degreasing it. Alright, let's start mounting the power steering pump and the air compressor for the air conditioning unit. Finally, connect your 2 hoses to your power steering pump, and then your whole steering column and your power steering is done. So the first one is by screw, and the second one is by just a hose clamp. Like usual, it's the end of the episode. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like with your friends, and share. And I'll see you next episode. Catch ya!